So
It's unfortunate, but
is Nick isn't the weak link?
Nick's actually got really good comms.
Nick has insane comms. That should actually
His comms are
values him on the next
He
bullshit.
asked me so much. I swear to God, they actually his comms are more important than his gameplay. 100%.
Yeah, he's
I'm not. You know what, bro?
That's not even a diss, bro. That's literally not a diss at all. That just says that he's got really good comms.
yeah. Yo, Pulsar, thank you for the 6 months, and Steph, thank you for the 21 months. Oh my bricked. I have to take
don't
my
know,
bag
I
off.
don't know,
First
I'm
time
not-
I died, I got focused from him. That's like I'm just like.
Hold on, I'm looking to see how much damage you did with this.
I got shit on.
All right, you're at 283 to start.
I have to take my bang off.
Or yeah, 293. You're at 293. Bro, not. Oh my God, naughty.
So bad.
You were at, dude. You were at 293 damage. You were at 668 after your bangle went off.
Does your bangle do that much damage?
His damage
He
to
did
non-players too, though, to be
almost
fair,
400 damage with his bangle.
Shit.
but I'm telling you, bro. I was like, I'm actually like on that.